Are you struggling to maintain your focus and productivity? Do you find yourself getting easily distracted and struggling to achieve your goals? If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to maintain focus and stay on track. But don't worry, in this video, we'll share some effective strategies that can help you improve your focus and achieve your objectives. So, let's get started. Hello and welcome to this video on how to improve your focus. In this video, we will discuss some effective strategies that you can use to improve your ability to focus, avoid distractions, and become more productive. Why focus is important? Before we dive into the strategies for improving focus, let's take a moment to discuss why focus is so important. A lack of focus can lead to decreased productivity, procrastination, and a failure to achieve your goals. On the other hand, when you're able to maintain focus, you can complete tasks more efficiently, make better decisions, and achieve your objectives. Strategies for improving focus. Now let's discuss some strategies for improving focus. 1. Set clear goals and prioritize tasks. Start by setting clear, achievable goals and then break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will help you stay focused on what's most important. 2. Create a distraction-free environment. To improve your focus, try to eliminate as many distractions as possible. Turn off your phone or put it in another room, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and find a quiet place to work. 3. Take breaks. Taking short breaks throughout the day can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Use your break time to stretch, take a quick walk, or do something that you enjoy. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a great way to improve focus. Focus on the present moment and avoid letting your mind wander. Try meditation or deep breathing exercises to help clear your mind and stay focused. 5. Stay organized. Staying organized can help you minimize distractions and make it easier to stay focused. Keep your workspace and schedule organized to make the most of your time. In conclusion, improving your focus is a gradual process, and it may take some time to develop this skill. Be patient and keep practicing these techniques until they become a habit. Remember that when you're able to maintain focus, you can achieve your goals and be more productive. So there you have it, some effective strategies for improving your focus and productivity. Remember, achieving focus is a gradual process that requires practice and patience. But with these tips, you can take the first steps towards developing a more focused and productive mindset. So, start by setting clear goals, creating a distraction-free environment, taking breaks, practicing mindfulness, and staying organized. Incorporate these strategies into your daily routine and make them a habit. With time and effort, you can become more focused, productive, and successful. I hope these tips help you achieve your goals and reach new heights in your personal and professional life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.